Hi beauties, Paris here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all doing well. Today's video is going to be about very something special, exciting. I'm so excited about this video. I'm going to do Fante makeup tutorial challenge. Yes, I'm from Ghana and I speak Fante. So actually I don't know how to do makeup, but I'm so excited to do it because I'm Ghanaian, so that's why. And I also speak Fante. So if I'm doing this makeup tutorial challenge, I have to speak in Fante, my own language. So please stay tuned for this video. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's start this video. Nyanum ebusia for brent raba from pachonya akwaba. Mpacho from me Paris, me Ghanaian na mixi Fante. Yes. In the video, me babe a Fante makeup tutorial challenge. Or a very great challenge, mampa, or send there. First, Samika Fansa. Minyago fans for no wash and maybe there will fancy sound some kind way. Maybe I bet prove it there, me fancy good, now must make a fancy good. The second or so. Mini makeup here. It's always a great challenge, ma'am. I may makeup, I may paint my tree, try me marry me, call me baby, that's all. Then no so. Me who the fans for so why a makeup tutorial challenge? Yen I'm tree for no go to why a makeup tutorial challenge. I'm fans of phone why fan. What may you say a makeup tutorial challenge ni be I? On the me decide Miss May babe a makeup tutorial challenge. Let me prove I'm a man cause some who name then yes. Makes me skills in part short so me can be beyond ya. Me can be mistakes ha. Part of me poor chum is strong and ara. One correct some one try what say ham I. Mpacho, yes, start video ya. That video, you need my summer baby, I'm a file to move ha. Any fun this Friday. Mistress remaining fine. Meaning, you need harm, maybe I say. For amongst me, dear Hawaii, Stradia me. One of distress remaining first. Miss McKenna, but Miss I mean makeup. So let's start video, me. Shelly, me the baby. Or Shelly, showing him a very old fashioned. I'm used me say, they may need power do. You say this stress, and you say how I'm fine. Let me make up me a Samiko baby. So, be a call parts and I be them. And I could birthday, so not me at the makeup. I'm a crime anytime for makeup. Okay, not yet the sister. My blend baby are fine, baby is smooth. Me the stress many near baby are smooth. So, why very smooth? Okay, sister, de me shusha afina mo afin kitty ni bi wa ha mo afina me be straw me nwa no do me ni bin sister me use the me afina me da straw na fine straw me nwa chiri no yes ma straw na me def na sans me da afina me the shape and fine. Okay, next time we rain sassy much me nature. Me the tuntum then may use tuntum color. Yes. Let me the terminate me the may and take. Amoy. No my kakra. Yes. Kakra be me use spear. Send the mess me come and need makeup your name's men pen makeup. Just light makeup, simple and easy. Kakra ma come in nature. So send the still so that me look natural. Okay. See the me you know. Me babe ye. Hey, mama munjuno, minima da me sisia. First me come in nature me, sister me beka. Me ni ado ha. na ma sansoma aka n'enwi ase me kana ase ho me di tuntum na me beka ase na ma sonso the same thing ma sanso me twi n'enwi ase ha mo de ni makeup di onyo me go ase ni makeup ye kra serious onya agor okay next is the main there mo dwene bio so dem sanso dwene bio ehwa dem me kan ni makeup ye sis abali no so dem ye moments yes sis ya de me beka blue the blue so beka me mechi ha mo beka tuntum na echi say that first me di tuntum na me ka me mechi ha mo but sanso me di blue mo so me da ka ho tuntum na echi na me use blue one ha mo de me fa kam de me mi ado dem send me blue pa blue ya my favorite color me the blue me the blend the tuntum no together asana na the same thing wa ha mo emia kono just simple sama so me the blue no so me the bin sa kameni ase me the obodo dem yes me bobo fine me the blue color pa blue effect okay no sister the me ready me sanso me the share ni ma sanso me da name me ase ha mo debut na ha mo so okay na me the men some da bobo do dem okay next sister the main there nefa me show them in some the blue me the blue no them oh yeah and so me change blue me nyani do I like it them na me she make sister the main there me the mascara me use mascara yes sister mascara na me baby use me bot twi me nwa hwen no nti mo twi me nti no twi ma na why tintin fine obey tintin kase so me de titima na me de straw yes me de straw me hwen no na so me da sansa straw me hwen na ase I might see my hands. Hey, makeup young ya grow. On time meaning your name. Okay, sister, then being there. Me the mefa de me color you have. First, may use may use two different color. May mix them together into mefa brown. Mefa de me brown wa have the me brown color. Let me that mix it together. I sure know your highlight and see. Me if I mix me the bobo ham do. Just some highlights. Now some me they been some that bobo ham. Okay, now see so there. You can brush, yes. Me na brush you ham do. yenigwa so we need brush bi aw ha mo just any makeup here every to the makeup nyam na use ni ho sisi me here brush bi here fa me nya brush ni bi pa choma me o ma 1 minute so there me highlight me de kakra me de ka ho ho mention highlights handy yes highlighting good okay yeah me did am color this is my phone do ham na so me da this is ham do them na me makeup look no oti miss the makeup miss am ni makeup ye hu them na me catch on Mom, the baby are blending in fine. Okay, that's how. Okay, sister, the main there, me catch on with me makeup, you know, is simple, pa. Very, very simple. Okay, sister, so that made them ask smart, then me share my smart, you know. Yes. Okay. So let me show you. Yes. Okay, next sister, the main there. Make a man cocoa, eh? Mr. Man of Sudan. What's on Sakamana see? Them na me any makeup. I mean makeup and oil. Very, very, very simple. So, in your anime busa for me view, makeup yen yago. Makeup yen take too much time or a very, very difficult ma'am. Or send I mean makeup yen and be see afuna one makeup yen no respect. Why are the pan respect? It's a me best makeup my year. In some power choppy. Say if you do ya me ya power chop mammy like. Next baby Sammy and my ye yam, patcho, tron wase hamo, the me wad for chrono eye. It did ya meet John in Nara, but you only one show won't ye yo. Bye. Se baby nepe de catcher ma, patcho tron wase on the down below ma. The pede give me like, please. Thank you.